Everybody thinks I'm crazy for having a full beard in the hot, humid summertime heat. Well, here's the science behind it. They're all wrong. They'd be like, hey, Michael, hey, Mike, why don't you shave off the beard? Won't you be a lot cooler? No. As filming of today's video, I am in between a thunderstorm or two. Yeah! So, will I be able to finish this without getting wet? Hopefully not struck by lightning. Okay, here's the science behind it, y'all. Yes, I got fur, and it keeps the sun off my face. In the summer months, I don't feel the sun. No, my face is actually cool. I never would have guessed it. For years, I used to shave my face, the cheeks part, and would keep the goatee every spring. And every time I do that, I will always feel the sun right through here. I even end up with a little bit of sunburn, even with suntan lotion on. This year, I decided I'm keeping the full beard. I'm glad I did, because what I learned was my face don't get sun on it at all. It stays cool. It blows even my mind. So the people out there think I'm crazy for having a full beard. What they don't get is it's a personal air conditioner, y'all. Now the rest of my body gets hot. My bald head does. Maybe I should grow the hair back on that. Not. And I'm telling you, this summer's been brutally hot. And my face doesn't feel it at all. Not one bit. So I'm thankful I kept the full beard. Now my beard is different. I do keep it trimmed a little bit. I always keep this long. In the winter months, I let this kind of come out a little bit more because it works as, oh, my dog pulling me, works as a heater in the winter months. So the winter months, it works as a heater. Summer months, it works as an air conditioner. So there you go. You ever wonder why a man has a full-blown beard in the hot summer months? Well, there's your answer. It's a built-in air conditioner, because we do not thunder. Do you hear that? We do not feel the heat on our face whatsoever, and it keeps our face cool. Believe me. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. If you have a full-blown beard, leave your comments down below and tell me what you think. Does it keep your face cool too? I'm gonna stand underneath this tree until I finish out today's video, because I'm about ready to get wet. All right, guys, come on, let's get out of here.